So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Looks like she wants to get a bottleneck style blonde bob. The stylist chops away at the hair. Oh, wow. So she did keep kind of like that ombre look from her grown out color. This is beautiful. Very nicely done. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more long to short hair transformations. So it looks like this next one features someone going super short. And by the way, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, beautiful pixie style. She does have the longer bangs in the front with this one, and it does look like the hair was dyed lighter and brighter. Very nice. Next up, we have someone else who wants to get a pixie haircut. Wow, gorgeous bright blonde pixie yet again. This one features some beautiful face framing bangs. Very nice. Here we see someone with long hair, about mid-back length or so. And she decided to switch things up with this carefree bob style. So here we have someone, it looks like she's in for a cut refresh. Oh, very nice bob with the bangs. This is gorgeous. Beautiful shape and texture within the cutting. Loving the pop of copper that was added with this bob. Very nice. And then here we have someone going from shoulder length curly hair to a nice curly tapered cut. Now this is a great unisex hairstyle. We're seeing men and women rocking this look this season, and it is great if you want your hair low and short. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob. Wow. Gorgeous blunt bob style. This is absolutely perfection. So it looks like we have another cut refresh for the next hair change. Bangs added in the front. Gorgeous pixie haircut, very nicely done. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.